Top A-lister of the Hindi film industry, Deepika Padukone has replied to the Narcotics Bureau summons sent to her. Deepika Padukone has said she will be joining the investigation. Remember, there's no confirmation yet about what part of Goa or Mumbai she's en route, but she has given a statement that she is going to join the summons. And joining me on that big breaking news is Divyesh Singh. He's outside the Narcotics Bureau. Divyesh, so at least even if there's no confirmation of where she is at this point, she's at least going to be there for the summons, and her summons are likely to be tomorrow or day after.
See, Pooja, Deepika Padukone has been asked to appear by the Narcotics Control Bureau on 25th of September, that is tomorrow. She has to appear at this very same office, makeshift office of Narcotic Control Bureau, the SIT, the Special Investigation Team. Remember, there are chats between Deepika Padukone and Karishma Anand, where she's discussing procurement of banned drugs. She's asking for drugs from Karishma Anand. Karishma Anand is an employee of Quant Talent Management, and she was the business manager, talent manager of Deepika Padukone, and that is why she has been summoned. Even Karishma Anand has been summoned, and she has been asked to appear before the NCB. Both the persons will be questioned. Deepika will be questioned regarding this procurement, whether she was procuring this drug for herself or was it for someone else? Was she facilitating this drug for someone else? So in both the cases, she is equally culprit, equally party to the crime that has happened, where consumption and procurement of banned drugs have happened. Even if she was discussing drugs, she'll be grilled further. If she denies that she hasn't procured any drugs, it was a casual chat, but she'll be grilled again.
How big is this, Divyesh? Tell us this, because these are not one of the younger actors. Deepika Padukone is one of the biggest celebrities of the film industry. Her name surfacing. How big should this be considered as a dimension of alleged drug links? These are allegations. These are just claims. Yes, she will have a defense to herself. But do you think this perhaps changes a lot in the dimension of the drug consumption?
Pooja, this is a development which is completely shaken the Bollywood. Deepika Padukone, the top actress, now she is the top actress of Bollywood. She's given some super hit films in the past, and now she is being summoned for drug abuse and drug procurement. So this has shaken things a lot in Bollywood, within the Bollywood circles, and NCB is not allowing any person whose name has surfaced to be left off, and they are summoning each and every person. Remember, 4 actresses have been summoned, of which Deepika Padukone has been asked to appear before the agency tomorrow by 11 a.m. and she'll be questioned, she'll be grilled by the Narcotics Control Bureau, where she'll be asked regarding this particular message.
I have to ask you another question here. Isn't it ironic that initially when the death took place, a very sad, tragic, mysterious death of Sushant Singh Rajput, Deepika Padukone was one of the first to react for the mental health issues and on depression, because she's been so vocal on it. Little she would have expected that her name would be getting dragged into this whole controversy, and for now she has nothing to say.
Yeah, Pooja, right. She was one of the first persons to share her message regarding mental health issues. So Sushant, remember, was suffering from depression as per the statements of his doctors, Riya Chakrabarti and others. And he was under treatment for depression by various doctors. So that is where Deepika also shared this message. But within this message, or regarding this message, she hasn't shared anything regarding drug abuse. Things only came to light when Enforcement Directorate shared messages of Riya Chakrabarti talking regarding procurement of drugs. These were shared with the Narcotics Control Bureau, which then initiated a probe, one of its kind. For the first time, Narcotics Control Bureau usually deals with bulk quantities, interstate drug rings, international drug rings, busting huge cartels. But this time, they started a reverse investigation. They started probing peddlers. They started probing people who been peddling drugs. House staff working for Sushant Singh Rajput was summoned. They were questioned, and then once it was confirmed that they had procured drugs, they
Yes.
had facilitated transportation of drugs, they were placed under arrest. After which Riya Chakrabarti came under scanner. She was probed and she was also placed under arrest for facilitating and harboring
Yes.
drug traffickers. That is where things got very serious.
Stay on
and
with